Stop. Get in. Get in. Get in there. Show some teeth. Show your teeth. Yeah. Get in there but not with that smile. I mean, grr, get in there. Come on. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. I got it on tape. I'm going to send it to the world. Listen, the partner, there's a return. It went up the middle, so that means that you didn't make a play for it, but that's okay. You targeted that, and now you got to look to cross in front of your partner and get the shot. I don't care if it's a backhand or a forehand. You got to get that shot. Yeah. Yeah, she'll never do that in a match. All right, here we go.